The upcoming video is the fundamental basic of the semi-annual inspection for the AIDA NC1 series. We recommend you carry out semi-annual inspection every 1,500 hours of operation to ensure optimal performance of your equipment. First, inspect the accuracy of die height indicator. Move the slide to 180 degrees, then measure the height manually. The result must be equal to the die height indicator. After that, inspect the air pressure gauge by exhausting all the air using the valve locating at the back of the machine. The pressure gauge needles must return to zero after air is totally exhausted. Second step is to inspect insulation resistance by using Megger measuring tool pointing at the main wires and control cabinet. For checking the clutch and brake solenoid valve, operate the machine in inch mode. Make sure there is no air leakage when pressing and releasing the run button. Last step is to inspect the service life of the electrical components in the control panel. If you discover any devices that have exceeded their service life, please replace them immediately. Do not attempt to continue using it. These steps are basic foundation of the annual inspection for AIDA NC1 series. Remember, you can always apply a more thorough check based on your factory's specific conditions. For a comprehensive and professional periodic inspection, please contact the AIDA service team. Regular maintenance is key to a safer and more efficient workplace.